Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mobile data not working on iPhone after iOS update. If you are using any iPhone and you have updated your iOS version but you are having the issue that your mobile data is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you can fix this with some simple steps. So the very first step is that you have to refresh your network settings by enabling and disabling your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network setting and it will fix minor issues. Or if you're facing still the same issues, you have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. And after doing that, you have to make a force restart your phone to fix some glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So there's the only way. You just have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and also including your hotspot. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to make sure that you're not using beta updates in your software update section. If you have enabled beta updates, so you just have to disable them. And after doing that, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, you have to open your Apple Sport app or you can use Apple Sport Web. Select your iPhone from here and here select more option and you just have to look for cellular services, or in some cases you might get mobile services. You must have to select the option which you have, and from here just select skip for now option, or if you want to run diagnostics you can do that from here. And then select get more help, select call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, or after that your issue will be fixed. Or there's one possible way else, that you have to downgrade your iOS version. After downgrading, your all issues will be fixed, which have just enabled or which are just facing the issues after updating your iOS version. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.